What's the most important thing you learned at the workshop?
I think I've gotten a lot of background information that I didn't know before, like about the Ministry of Health. I had a lot of questions. I could have asked like counterparts, but just to get it from the source and get like more facts. Also, I was really excited about this workshop because of the behavior change model in psychology that we are learning about, which I think should be explained in other Peace Corps trainings, because that is our work as Peace Corps volunteers, to influence others, to make positive changes, not just like with health, but in their communities.
I think the most important thing I learned at the health workshop is more of a habit, but to make health work a process, a long process, and walk people through the habits of behavior change, and not so much focus on a long-term goal, but to meet people where they are and to facilitate self-directed change.
The most important thing I learned at the workshop was how to take the concepts that we're learning about health and just a lot of common knowledge that I had from the States, and learning how to apply it and communicate it with people in my community, learning the right terminology in Arabic as well as the right way socially to communicate some of the more important ideas about the different sides of or aspects of health that we're learning about.
The important thing I learned at the workshop, it is great to participate and be part of the workshop, because you get so much information from different people based on their own experience. And of course, indeed, I learned a lot, and I shared information, which was a great opportunity for me to hear from a perspective from the others.
In this case, you are contributing